How to disable chat head bubbles on Facebook Messenger. In this video, I will guide you on how to disable chat heads bubble on Facebook Messenger. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure that the application is fully updated. To check, you can head over to Play Store. Now, tap on the search bar. Here, type Messenger and search for that. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now launch it open. Make sure to log into your account. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down a bit, you will find the chat heads option. If you want to turn off the chat heads bubble, then simply toggle off this option. Once you do that, the chat head will be successfully disabled on Facebook Messenger, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.